Today we're going to change the keyless entry pin here on this Chamberlain keypad for a garage door. And the instructions are right here, but I'll walk you through it. It says press and release the learn button on the motor unit. The learn indicator will glow steadily for 30 seconds. So within that 30 seconds, you have to come back here and enter a new 4-digit personal identification number, your PIN number, then press and hold the enter button. So you press it and hold it. Release when the motor unit lights. So up here at your motor, they'll blink, and then it has learned its code. So then you want to try it again, make sure it works. So I'll walk you through it. So on my Chamberlain garage door opener, this here is the learn button. So we're going to push it. We've got 30 seconds to enter our code. Then we're going to come back and hold the enter button. I just heard it click. So I think we may have set our code. We'll let these lights finish flashing here, and then we'll try our code. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. There we go. Our new code is entered. That's how you do it. Then we'll test it again for opening. Hit enter. That's how simple it is to reprogram or set a PIN number for your keyless pad garage door opener. All you need to do is find that learn button, set your 4-pin, hit enter, hold it, and wait till you get the signal, the lights will flash, or you'll hear a couple clicks, and then you know you're good. Then test it out and it should work. And go watch this video here next, and you'll see another video where I reprogram the PIN number for a different model of garage door opener.